Yay! It's raining hard today. Thank you, Lord, for this rain. We need it. Kasi sobrang init lately. It's super dry. My plants are happy. And the grass are happy too. Yay! Thank you, Lord.